how to change video background in Higgsfield. Open up Higgsfield, then click on video here, and you can either upload your video which you want to change the background for, or you can select it from your previously generated videos. If you click on upload, you will need to select upload file and just add it as I have added it here. Now, if you want to change the background, this is going to be my current video. So it's just a woman talking, which I've generated. You want to click on the three dots and then choose open. Once you click on open, you will be on the info page. You want to go into tools and select edit video. Now, what we have to do is go into prompt, and right here, you can go and add your video and say change background from room to field, so flowery field, I don't know, and you will just click on generate. This is going to change the entire background for the specific video which we have. We're gonna change it to a field in this case if you click on generate. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.